Hey guys, check out the factory edition 2021 450R. This is a beautiful dirt bike, guys. Check it out. The ID. What are these? Dirt Star LTX Light MX rims. Awesome. Look at all the decals. Show up front forks. Pretty awesome. They put their logo on the front of the plastic. Should come up. Wow. Look at that. That's pretty awesome. Has all the logos. I like the striping on the seat. It's pretty cool. And check that out. Yosemura exhaust. Pretty great, man. Look at those wheels. Yeah, this is an awesome bike. So, comment down below. Do you like the factory edition 450? Is this something that you would seriously consider? Appreciate you guys watching our little video. Give us a like if you dig just seeing little walk-arounds of our bikes, so I can know whether I should keep doing it or I should move on. Now this bike is sold, but it's still pretty cool to see. Definitely limited edition. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.